a goodie bag from Chhalaang. Let's see what is this. Flex a day in Paris perfume. It's a perfume. Flex Evening Meadows Lavender. It's a candle. Acne Juicy Cleanser. Again from Flex. Whatever. Some vouchers and this is a serum from Plix, and these drink powders from Plix, and there is this. It's from Purple. It's a serum. It's a concealer palette. Color correctors. A roll-on. Sunscreen. Lip gloss. Last is flaxseed gel. So this was all from Purple, and we also got this from Plush. It has a body razor. I think it's a period panty. And it's a cotton pad, L and XL. Intimate wipes. So it's wet wipes.